to solve the projections of solids using AutoCAD software. First we go for AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Command is limits. Go to lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom all, then go to line, select some arbitrary point, click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side, and again click on the first button of the mouse and then take the mouse to the upper side and again click on the first button of the mouse and then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side, again go to the offset, take the distance as 210, select the horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom extends and zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet between this line and this line, fillet between this line and this line, similarly fillet between this horizontal line and this vertical line, then go to zoom window, select this and take near to the screen and go to d-text, select specify start point of text, take the upper right upper left corner of the sheet and then click on the first button of the mouse and take the height as 4 and rotation angle as 0, type the problem number 157. Then A, hexagonal pyramid, 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length, rests on HP on one of its slant edges. Draw the projections of the pyramid. When the axis appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. Then zoom previous, then go to zoom window, and here you type layer, click on new, type XY, enter, click on new, type axis, enter, click on new, take this visible layer, click on new, type invisible layer. So set the line weights of individual layers. Layer 0 line weight you set it as 0.05, then OK. Set the layer XY line weight default as 0.13 and save OK. Set the layer axis line weight default as 0.05 and say OK. Set the visible line type line weight as 0.5 and set the invisible layer line weight as 0.3 and say OK. Set the invisible line type of line as hidden. Click on load, select here, type H and type OK. Click on hidden and say OK. Then go to axis line type, click on this and make it center, then go to load, click on C, center and say OK. Click on center, click on OK. So once you do that and close the layer command, then you will go to polygon. Now we go for number of sides as 6, first point of edge, specify first endpoint. You just click on the first button of the mouse and drag it in the horizontal direction, take the distance as 25, then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection point of this, and then go to line, INT of this and take intersection point of this, then go to line, INT of this and take intersection point of this. Then select these 4, 5, 6 lines, then go to layer, go to this and make this as visible and then escape and click the line weight display. Then go to zoom previous, then take move, take further down, then go to line, select this and then go to offset, take the distance as 50, select this line and take to the top side, then go to line, take INT perpendicular to this, then go to line, INT of this and then draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, INT of this and then draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, INT of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two and similarly fillet between these two, then go to line, INT of this and take intersection point of this and take INT of this, similarly line, INT of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this, then go to erase, then go to break, select this and break it here. Now you select these 4 lines and then this line and go to layer, make that it as a visible layer change it to visible layer, then go to select this, go to layer, change it to axis and take the distance as 10 and then escape. Then go to group, select this entire first position front view and make it as a group. Then go to copy, select this, copy to the next position, then slant edge is on HP, then go to rotate, select this, take the base point, specify base point as int of this. Since copy or reference, you take reference, take reference angle, intersection of this, and you take this in the reference angle, then specify new angle as on the horizontal line. Then go to move, select this, move it near to the screen, first position, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take intersection point of this, and then intersection point of this, and then intersection point of this, and draw, and also intersection point of this. Then here, then go to line, take intersection point of this, and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this, trim these 4 lines. Then go to line, take int of this, and draw a horizontal line, and take int of this, and draw one more horizontal line. Then go to line, intersection of this, and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this, and take perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge, and trim it as these 2 lines. Then go to line, take int of this, and take intersection part of this, and take intersection part of this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this, and intersection part of this, and take intersection part of this. Then go to line, int of this, intersection part of this, and intersection part of this. Then go to line, int of this, then intersection part of this. Then go to line, int of this, and take intersection part of this. Then go to break, select this first point, int of this, and say at the rate. Then break first point, int of this, and say at the rate. Then break first point, int of this, then at the rate. Then go to break first point, int of this, and say at the rate. Then break first point, int of this, and say at the rate. Then break first point, int of this, and say at the rate. Then break first point, int of this, and say at the rate. Now we will go for visibility and invisibility. So all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, and the surface near to the observer is visible, and the edge, 2 visible edges, then this is also a visible edge. Go to layer, make that as visible, then this line, and then this line, and these 2 lines, 2 visible edges can never cross each other, and you make that as invisible, and take the line weight as 10, line width as 10, line type scale factor as 10. Once you do that, then go to group, select this entire second position top view and make it as single. Then go to copy, select this and copy to the next position. Then go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line. Similarly line, int of this, then int of this, and then line int of this, and draw horizontal line. Then go to rotate, select this, take the base point as this and type 45 degree. Then go to move, select this, switch on the ortho mode and take it near to this line. Then go to ortho mode on, then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw a horizontal line. Line take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these 2. Then go to line, int of this and draw a horizontal line. Take a line, intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these 2. Then go to line, int of this and draw a horizontal line and take a line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these 2. Then go to line, int of this and draw horizontal line and take line, int draw a line, int of this, take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line int of this, take intersection point of this, and take int of this, and take intersection point of this, and take int of this, and take intersection point of this, and say close. Then go to line int of this, and take int of this, and take int of this. Then go to line int of this, and take int of this, and take int of this. Then go to line int of this, and take int of this, and take intersection point of this. Then go to break, select this, first point int at the rate. Then go to break, first point int of this, and say at the rate. Then go to break, select this line, select this line, select this line, and select this line, and go to layer, make that layer as XY. Then go to condition of visibility and invisibility. All the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. You select this, you select this, select this, and select this. And surface, when you're looking from here, the hexagonal surface is completely visible. Once this hexagonal surface is visible, so this edge also becomes visible. Then go to layer, make that layer as visible. Then you select this line, you make that line as axis layer. Then go to this and change it as 10. Then similarly, you just click on this, you click on this, and click on this, because two visible edges can never cross each other, and hence this becomes invisible, and make this line as 10 mm. Then we go for TDIM, go to modify, go to primary units, make it as 0, then go to text, type 4, align with the dimension line, center becomes above, take the dimension offset from the dimension line as 3, symbols of arrow size as 4, then go to line, take offset from the origin as 3, and say OK, and say close. Then go to dim horizontal, select this line, then zoom previous, then dim horizontal, take this line and take this as 25, and then dim vertical, take intersection point of this and intersection point of this, and take the dimension as 50. Then go to dim angle, select this line, and you select this line, take the dimension as 45. Then go to D text, select this line, type it as X, you type it as VP, you type it as HP, you take it as Y, and then you switch off the caps lock. A, B, C, D, E, F, you type it as O, you type it as O1, then here you type it as A dash, then you take B dash, then you take C dash, then you take D dash, then you take O dash, then you take E dash in bracket, then you type O1 dash in bracket, then DF dash. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, you select X and move it here, then you type VP, you type HP, then go to zoom, take this near to the screen, then go to move, type B, move it here, then C, you type it here, then A, you type it here, then go to O, you type it here, then O1, you move it here, then F, you move it here, then E, you move it here, then D, you move it here, then go to A dash, then you come down to B dash, then come down to F dash, then you come down to O1 dash, then go to C dash, then you come down to E dash, then you take D dash, then you take O dash. Once you do that, then go to copy, select O dash and copy it here, then you take D dash and copy it here, then move this D dash here, then go to copy, select C dash and copy it here, select E dash and copy it here, then O1 dash you copy it here, then D dash you copy it here, then F dash you copy it here, then you take A dash and copy it here. Once you do that, then go to A, take this, then copy O, you copy it here, then D you copy this here, then B you copy this UB which will be here, then C you copy this here, then D you copy this E here, then F you copy this here, then you take the text, you type O1 and you type O1 and here you type O1, then go to copy, select O, then you type A, copy A here, you type B here, you type C here, you type D here, you type E here, you type F here, then go to D text, here you type copy F here, then go to D text, here you type O dash, then you type A dash, you type B dash, you type C dash, you type D dash, you type E dash, you type F dash, you type O1 dash, then go to move this O dash here, then A dash here, then B dash here, then C dash here, then D dash here, then E dash here, then F dash here, then O1 dash here. Once you do that, so this is how you will be able to solve this problem. Then go to Zoom Previous and then go to Exit, switch on Save, go to the appropriate drive and go to AutoCAD, Solids Drawings and put on the caps lock P157 and save it, and finally you exit the software.